welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be installing this forged carbon fiber steering wheel from the company Street Aero. I'm super excited to get this on the FRS because this was given to me back at SEMA last year. I'm going to leave a clip really quickly of what happened last year. I just met up with the owner of Street Aero, so thank you so much for giving me this forged carbon fiber steering wheel. If you guys don't know, I'm working a lot on the interior of the FRS.
Ready to wait in line?
Fuck. I was like, go get it signed. She just got the wheel.
Oh.
Yeah.
Smart. Yeah.
I need to make sure that's fine.
Let me see.
It's cute. Look.
Dude, that is sick.
Yes, I got this signed by the owner of Rocket Bunny himself. This is his signature. And if you guys don't know who the owner of Rocket Bunny is, he's pretty much the guy who created the wide body for my FRS. So I was super excited that all of this happened at the same time. So shout out to Street Aero and shout out to the owner of Rocket Bunny. Anywho, if you guys are new to this channel, hi, I'm Bookmickbeth. I drive a 2016 Rocket Bunny FRS and a 2006 Nissan 350Z that I'm currently turning into a time attack build. So if you guys want to see more and be part of the McNugget family, I suggest you subscribe. So let's get on with this video. Hand is covered in grout because I'm doing the kitchen tiling in my kitchen. So don't judge my fingers, but this is what the steering wheel looks like. It is so pretty. You got the name Street Aero right there. Some nice molded lines. There's a lot of companies that make steering wheels that don't have such a seamless line like that, but the owner of Street Aero himself is a very interesting character. I love him so much. He creates some awesome content on his Instagram page. So I'm also going to leave the link down below where you guys can go follow him. But I really quickly wanted to show you guys some of the things that he's done with the steering wheel so that I can prove to you that this is such good quality and you should go ahead and purchase this yourself.
Here is Street Aero's brand new forged carbon steering wheel, now available on the website. Very lightweight and very strong. You ready? Just in case you want to stand on it, and you can. Yeah, very strong, honestly. I mean, David, you want to get up here?
Okay, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is disconnect your battery because we're going to have to remove our old OEM steering wheel, and obviously you don't want the airbag to pop in your face, so go ahead and disconnect this. Go ahead and remove the negative battery terminal first and then the positive so that we don't, you know, mess things up in here again like I did a long time ago and I had to replace certain fuses that I was not happy about. On my FRS, I have these Shift Concept paddle shifter covers that I've had since the very beginning of my FRS. I love these so much. I don't know if I can put them back on, but I'm gonna leave them up there. These are so cute, and I'm gonna leave a link where you guys can go check these out because I'm sure the owner of Shift Concepts has made these a lot better now. This was one of the first designs that they've ever made, but these are awesome and I love them so much. The FRS steering wheel has two little holes on the side where you can fit a flathead screwdriver, and it's pretty much like a clip that you press on and pull up to release the airbag, and then we can disconnect the airbag itself. I'm pretty scared, not gonna lie, but I'm gonna show you the hole. Circle right here. This is pretty much the tab that you're gonna be pulling on. There's one on this side and also on your right side. So you're gonna go ahead and pull those tabs, and then the airbag should come off then. I'm not gonna lie guys, wearing a long sleeve shirt was the worst idea I have had to date because it is extremely hot in this car and I am sweating badly. Like really bad. Okay, so hopefully we can do this without the airbag exploding in my face. But it was nice seeing you all if this does happen. There's a hole underneath here that you also have to press down. So we're gonna get on our knees, no pun intended. Yeah. Just like that. Perfect. Okay. So pretty much what you're gonna do is take your flathead, take this corner, and pop it up like that. It's a little bit stuck. And don't break it like I just did. There we go. And then throw it away like a bomb. Okay, so this nut right here is a 17 millimeter. I have my ratchet, and I'm not gonna take it off all the way because this shit is fucking hard. There you go. Okay, we're only gonna move it up a little bit, like yay so. Okay, first time. You know you want to come off. All right, all hands on deck. I'm taking off this nut. Ugh! I don't recommend that. I don't. I really don't. It's off. Okay, so I put the hub on and I made sure that it was aligned. You want the NRG to be facing up and this little dot right over here. I don't have resistors, so I'm gonna go ahead and install them when they do arrive, but for the purpose of this video, I'm just gonna go ahead and leave them as is. The worst that's gonna happen is gonna have the airbag light, I can't talk. The worst thing that's gonna happen is that you'll have some lights on your dash, but it is what it is. Now, you shouldn't be letting this hang like this, but sorry. I went ahead and did ground to ground and did yellow to blue. This blue wire is going to be your horn, so be very careful that these two don't touch, but this came with a little plastic film, so I don't have to put electrical tape on it, but if you want to, you can. And now we're gonna go ahead, tuck that, and make sure that this is also straight, so the NRG logo is facing this little white dot. And then we're gonna go ahead and secure with these little screws. Okay, so this is gonna be a little bit wobbly, so I'm sorry. The quick release is behind here, and I have fed the wires through and connected them. They're very self-explanatory. Trust me, you're gonna get it. So the horn is going to be, we're gonna tug all of this in, and we're gonna place it, right? And then we're going to take this part, put it over the horn, and then, I'm sorry, we're gonna do that, and then we're going to take the provided hardware and connect everything. So I don't have a second hand to help me, so I'm gonna do this off camera, but it's very self-explanatory. Okay, so really quickly, I messed up the hardware. Street Aero gives you everything you need, including the tools to put on the little bolts, but these aren't it. These are the ones that you use for the actual steering wheel. Well guys, this is the finished result. The last thing I gotta do is see if the horn works, and it does. Super excited about having the steering wheel finally on the car. Now the real test is going to be taking the FRS out and driving to see if it's working perfectly fine, but I'll let you know how that goes. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!